It's vertical tires? Alright, I gotta figure out how to put my phone away.
All loose items. Pull down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the car at all times. And
Number 350. I seriously thought my 350th was gonna be like Top Thrill or Sirens. This is a good pick. Yeah. I just hope we got a good song. Don't be conga, don't be conga, don't be conga, don't be conga. Here we go! Come on! Number 350 for this guy.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket!
No conga, no conga.
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large band, then you're likely doomed.
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
What?
We got the generator.
Oh my god!
An instruction manual. Yeah, we get that all the time. Rocket.
That gives me gas.
It's about time.
It is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Wait, there's a second one!
Link your star glasses.
Ah!
But not for long.
Well, nobody's perfect. It's Epcot. Remind me to raise our rates.
That was incredible. Hey, the POVs, they would show the stars in there.
Thanks, Terrence.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship.
It's an honor to have
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That exceeded expectations. I don't know why people hype this ride up so much, but now I know why. No, I'm actually kind of glad we got Disco Inferno.